Yeah, that's better. Yeah.
Lean back lang sir ha. Then pwede ka mag-unit diri sir.
Sa dire.
Diri sir. Sandig ito sir.
Sandig.
Okay. Okay, so from here up to there, it's 95 feet from the ground ha. Okay, so when you are there at the top, you need to listen na. We whistle twice. The first, it means warning. So, be ready for the drop. And then the last, after the whistle, sir, magbilang kami ha. We count until 3. 1, 2, and 3. Then, that's the time. Release, okay? All you have to do is sit and hold on your side and lean back. So, just lean back.
Lean back.
Yes.
Ang feet.
I-bend lang. I-bend ang tuhod. Then, just bend your knees.
Here we are.
Ready for the drop.
Free fall.
We're gonna drop the beat.
Oh shit.